What if you could build the perfect marketing team completely from scratch? And no, I'm not talking about hiring people. I'm talking about AI. Today, we're going to toss out the idea of using one single do-it-all AI tool. Instead, we are going to assemble a specialized dream team of AIs where every single one is an expert in its own field. Let's dive in and see how it all works.
So just think about this question for a second. What if your marketing team had absolutely no limits? Imagine having a world-class specialist for every single task you can think of, from writing killer ad copy to closing sales, all of them working together seamlessly. Well, that's the exact promise of the AI system we're going to break down today.
Now, the big idea behind all of this is something called a modular AI architecture. I know, it sounds super technical, but trust me, the concept is incredibly simple. It just means we're building a team of individual AI agents, and each one has a very specific, dedicated job. It's just like a real-world marketing team, right? You've got your copywriter, your creative director, your sales lead. They all collaborate, but each one is a master of their own craft.
All right, so every marketing funnel starts with the same thing, getting noticed. So let's meet the first line of our AI team, the attraction and capture crew. Their entire mission, their whole reason for being, is to grab your audience's attention and pull them right into your world.
This crew is a trio of specialists. First up is @ContentGPT. Think of this one as your master copywriter, the one generating all those scroll-stopping hooks and scripts. Then you pass the baton to @ReelsDirectorGPT, who acts as your creative director, turning that script into a visual plan with storyboards and shot lists. And finally, @LeadCaptureGPT steps in as your lead architect, building the actual lead magnet that captures a person's info. See? Each one has a super distinct, totally vital role.
Okay, now this is the most crucial part of how this whole team actually works. The AIs don't just talk to each other automatically. Nope, you are the director here. You get a script from @ContentGPT, and then it's your job to give the next command. It works just like tagging someone on social media. You just type @ReelsDirectorGPT, storyboard this, and bam, the creative specialist instantly takes over. This little handoff mechanism is what ensures you are always in control.
Okay, so you've captured their attention. Awesome. But what happens next? You can't just leave them hanging. You have to build a relationship. And that's exactly where our next group of specialists comes in, the nurture and qualify experts.
This group is a perfect example of why specialization is so powerful. On one side, you've got @LeadNurtureGPT, who is the ultimate relationship builder. It's a natural storyteller, crafting email sequences that build genuine trust and connection. Then, on the complete other side of the spectrum, you have @QualifyingGPT, the data analyst. This one isn't creative at all. Its only job is to analyze behavior and tell you exactly how ready a lead is to buy. So one gives you the warmth and the other gives you the cold, hard data.
And this table here makes their boundaries crystal clear. @LeadNurtureGPT is all about connection. It will never try to qualify a lead or do any hard selling. That is not its job. And on the flip side, @QualifyingGPT is all about the numbers. It'll give you a score from 0 to 10 on a lead's readiness, but it absolutely refuses to write a single creative email. This strict specialization is the secret sauce here. It guarantees you get expert-level quality on every single task.
All right, so a lead has been nurtured, they feel connected, and the data is screaming that they're hot. Well, it's time to bring in the closers. This is the team that's designed to turn all that interest into actual action. And here we have another dynamic duo. @SalesGPT is your heavy hitter, your closer. Its one and only goal is conversion. It writes those powerful sales pages, the direct pitch emails, the DM scripts that get people to say yes. But what about the leads that hesitate or just go quiet? That's where @RetargetingGPT shines. It's your persistent but polite follow-up system designed to perfectly re-engage anyone who's drifted away.
And the sale is made. High fives all around. But hold on, the job isn't over, not by a long shot. In fact, one of the most important parts is next, making sure your new customer has a fantastic experience. And for that, we have our dedicated fulfillment specialist.
Say hello to @DeliveryGPT. Its job is simple, but so important. Create happy customers. It handles everything that happens after the purchase, the onboarding instructions, delivering the digital product, and even troubleshooting common setup issues. And check out that part on the slide. It does not create content or sell offers. Its focus is 100% on fulfillment. Its only purpose is to flawlessly deliver on the promise that you made during the sale.
We've met the entire AI team now, from the attention grabbers to the closers to the delivery specialist. But we've saved the single most important member for last, the one person who makes this entire system tick. And that member? Well, it's you.
This quote right here really says it all. This is not automation. It is collaboration. This isn't about hitting a button and just walking away, hoping for the best. These AI agents are your expert assistants, for sure. But you are the strategist. You're the one calling the shots. So let's be absolutely clear about your role in all this. You are the director. You set the strategy. You provide the critical context. You supply the creative spark. The AI agents, they're the executors. And remember that little mention we talked about? That is your command. Nothing gets handed off from one specialist to another without your explicit instruction. This entire AI team exists to bring your vision to life, one expert task at a time.
So there you have it. The team is assembled. Each AI is an expert in its field, just waiting for your direction. Your marketing dream team is ready to go. The only question left is, what will you build first?